Welcome to day 4 of the 1000 Essential English Words Challenge. Today, you'll learn useful English for visiting a doctor.
Hi, doctor. I don't feel well today.
Hello. What seems to be the problem?
I have a headache, a sore throat, and a cough.
Oh, no. Do you also have a fever?
Yes, and I feel very tired too.
How long have you felt sick?
Since yesterday morning.
Okay. Let me check your temperature first.
All right.
Your temperature is a little high.
Is it serious?
No, it's not serious, but your body needs rest.
Should I stay home today?
Yes. Drink a lot of water and get some sleep.
Do I need medicine?
Yes, I'll give you medicine for your throat and cough.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. You should feel better soon.
Thanks for your help.
No problem. Take care. Great job. Now let's learn the important health words one by one with simple explanations and examples. Subscribe our channel and join the 1000 Essential English Words Challenge. Don't miss a new English lesson every day. Doctor. A doctor is a person who helps sick people in a clinic or hospital. Sick. Sick means not healthy and needing rest or medicine. Feel well. Feel well means feeling healthy and comfortable during the day. Headache. A headache is pain inside the head that makes daily activities difficult. Sore throat. A sore throat is pain or irritation in the throat while speaking or swallowing. Cough. A cough is strong air coming from the throat during sickness. Fever. A fever is high body temperature during sickness. Tired. Tired means having low energy and wanting rest or sleep. Yesterday. Yesterday means the day before today. Morning. Morning is the early part of the day after waking up. Check. Check means looking carefully to find a problem or result. Temperature. Temperature is the amount of heat in the body. Serious. Serious means dangerous or needing special attention. Body. The body is the physical form of a person. Rest.
The contrast pulls harka.
Rest means relaxing or sleeping to feel better. Water. Water is a healthy drink that helps the body stay healthy. Sleep. Sleep means resting the body during the night. Medicine. Medicine is something that helps sick people feel better. Better. Better means healthier or feeling good again. Help. Help means giving support or assistance to someone. Problem. A problem is something wrong that needs attention. Home. Home is the place where a person lives and rests. Throat. The throat is the front part of the neck used for speaking and swallowing. Take care. Take care means staying safe and healthy after sickness. Healthy. Healthy means feeling strong and free from sickness. Clinic. A clinic is a small medical center for patients. Patient. A patient is a person visiting a doctor for medical help. Symptoms. Symptoms are signs that show sickness or health problems. Subscribe our channel and join the 1000 Essential English Words Challenge. Don't miss a new English lesson every day. Weak. Weak means not strong and having little energy. Stay home. Stay home means remaining at home instead of going outside. Great job today! In day 5, you'll learn English for talking about weather and daily plans.